Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. So today we'll be taking a look at a certain company called user testing, and basically what it does and how you can work on the platform and earn some extra cash. As the name implies, this is basically where a lot of things are tested. So these include things like mobile apps, websites, and also other digital products. So what happens is that you as the user can register and test those products, like in terms of their functionality, and actually give them your own feedback. So most of the work here will include like you as a user sitting in front of a camera, recording yourself, and also like reviewing a certain website or mobile app whilst talking and giving your feedback. So that is what you'll be doing most of the times. So before applying, it is important to know like where user testing is operating. So this platform actually accepts users from Australia, Canada, France, Germany, India, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So if you live in these countries, then you can participate. So if you are residing in any of these countries, then you are likely to get more jobs than the rest. But actually, there are other countries where the platform is operating as well. And these include Argentina, Italy, Saudi Arabia, and blah, blah, this list right here. So in simple terms, the amount of work that you'll be getting from user testing will be affected by where you live. That is because the clients who post these jobs, they reside in these areas. Now to the most important part. How do you get paid? So actually user testing paid through PayPal. That is their preferred payment processor. So before you sign up, make sure that you have like a verified PayPal account. So guys, that is all about user testing, and if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and maybe you might earn some extra money for yourself. But until then, see you on the next video.